What are you doing, Eli?
I'm making a wig.
A wig?
Yeah,
Or a list?
a list
For who?
for Santa.
And what does your list say?
I love Santa.
It says I love Santa?
Yeah,
And what else?
and I love Mommy, and I love Cecily, and I love Daddy, and I love Grandma, Grandma Abby, and Grandma Mary, and Grandma Cecily, and Mommy.
And what are you asking for Santa Claus? What do you want from him?
An egg.
A what?
An egg.
An egg?
Yeah,
And what else?
and a sea.
Huh?
And a sit. And glasses. So I lost him.
You want glasses? Sunglasses?
Yeah.
And an egg? And what else?
That's all my stuff. And a stirring egg.
And a what?
And I stir my egg.
What is that called?
A egg.
An egg what?
Egg. Egg stirring.
Egg stirring?
Yeah.
And what else?
And that's all I need.
Did you tell Mommy that you wanted an egg whisk?
Egg whisk too.
To mix your eggs, right?
To mix my eggs.
And what
To
else?
mix them. To mix them all.